That Hope Fridge, the refrigerator in Neenah dedicated to providing food to those in need, it was vandalized over the weekend. The fridge lives in the front yard of a home off Curtis Avenue. People are able to walk up and grab what they need from that fridge. But according to the homeowner, her house and the fridge have been a target for hateful messages. And here you see some of the video. Things like eggs and snacks are being thrown at the house. The homeowner says this is not the first time they've been dealing with this since March.
It's frustrating, especially wasting food, which is the whole point of the Hope Fridge, is to share food with the community.
Neenah police are involved with this incident. Currently, the fridge has been moved from that yard as it gets a new foundation and a paint job. Well, a Green Bay favorite